So many of the fungicides that we're most worried about are the ones that we've most overused. So Septoria gives us an example where historically we've grown wheat varieties, relied on azoles and seen them erode, and we've had new SDHI chemistry arrive. And it sadly is beginning to crumble. So we saw the first worrying signs 2017 and a bigger slip last year. So they're still working. But they're primarily the ones that we're most concerned about for the season we're going into. You see, the best efficacy are the multi-sites give a really clear message there, and again there's a win-win. They're cheap and effective, and they help to steward the azoles and the SDHIs. But the use of mixed products, and again there's a win-win there. It protects both sides of the chemistry, but it gives better efficacy in the field and better yields. So it's a good thing for the business, and it's a good thing for fungicide resistance management. Really think about whether you need early chemistry before the main stem extension sprays. Think about whether you can take that T0 type chemistry out of a programme. Again, there's a win-win there if you can save money on programmes where you don't get a response. And then just keep tailoring, look at the efficacy of what you've done and really tailor what you're doing to the site, the variety, the situation, and your historic knowledge of what happens on your farm. Growers filling in online IPM plans, integrated pest management plans, it helps them tailor what they're doing, and it helps the industry promote the good stuff that's done in Scotland and the quality of what we produce and the sustainable way that we produce it.